It's Jim.
Jim who? Can I see your ID card?
Open the door.
Why, hello. Welcome to my room. Come on in. Oh, hello. Welcome. Let me take you over here, and we can view my pretty sink with my towels that say my name on them. We go over here to our little window thinking area. Nice little thinking. Then we walk over here to my bed. Nice bed. And then we walk to Jeff. Nice Jeff. And
Does
then
Jeff come with each room?
only if you're really lucky. Limited edition. And then we walk all the way over to the other side of the room over here. Got a nice closet.
Face yourself. It's a
Nice
long
closet. I know. Don't wanna go too fast and miss anything. Then we got our fridge and toaster. Nice little toaster. And I think that's about it.
Okay, wave goodbye.